equation. You know, this high and low, which one low outlier, which one to detect first, depends upon the skew of the data set. So if it is more than 0.4 the skew, then we first apply the high, then low, and if we find that the skew is minus 0.4, less than minus 0.4, then we first identify the low outlier, then goes to the high outlier. So all this procedure is same in the new method also. Only thing is that how we calculate Kn, and another issue is that in the new method you do not need to calculate, there is no requirement of calculating the skew. Okay, so because for all type of data set, all type means the data set, different data set follows different distribution function. With Pearson type 3 outlier detection method, you can detect outliers for any kind of data set following any type of distribution function. Not only this, you can detect outlier for 3 significance level: 1%, 5%, 10%, not only 10%. Okay, and then regarding the value of critical deviate, it do increases with the size of the sample, as you will see later on. Okay, so let us go back to our new method. Now, as I have said, we will calculate the critical deviate in a different manner compared to the previous method. Correct? So how we will do it? We will use this equation if the sample size is within 10 to 15, if the sample size is 16, if the sample size is 16 to 89, then what we'll do is we will use this equation, and if it is 90 to 150, the sample size is 90 to 150, then we will use this. Here C is the coefficient and N is